Hi, and welcome to week 5. This is going to be the week where you take your first exam. Hopefully you have been able to find the study guide under Content and Exam 1, and then you can go through that study guide and practice those skills. Another thing that you could do, which I highly recommend, is to attend one of Anna's study sessions. She has the list of topics and is going to be going over examples, and it would be really helpful for you if you wanted to attend her study session prior to taking the exam. Just a quick heads up. Anyhow, if you have questions or you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope that the first test goes well. I'll see you soon.